Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to prepare a polymorphism program using Python. Yes, polymorphism is nothing but calling a functionality in many forms. And also, it's a great pillar of object-oriented programming concept, and reusing technique. It is a very helpfully. It will give us to making and avoiding duplicating of code repeatedly. So let me explain polymorphism. Yeah, let me correct it. Yes, in Python. Let's what ChatGPT will explain us. Let's see now. Polymorphism in Python refers ability to objects of different classes to respond the same method call with their own implementation. It allows the code to be written more generally, reducing the code duplication and increasing the maintainability. In Python, polymorphism achieving through method overloading and the multiple methods if the same data types or different arguments are passing, or method overriding, subclass providing its own implementation, method inherited from the parent class. In these things are also can be achieved by using polymorphism. So I would like to one more thing I would like to asking here create a basic polymorphism program in Python. Yeah. Just I'm trying to asking this query to my ChatGPT. Wow, it's a simple program which is implementing using animal and dog classes only. Wow, it's a preparing a different classes which are going to be parent and child inheritance thing to be happens here with multiple classes. And when we are calling and declaring of different classes with the different names, it's give a wonderful reusing technique it will give us. Let's see, I have taken a copy of this code and ChatGPT, yes, take a paste. Yes, come back here. And also there is an explanation here. It is clearly given by ChatGPT. So go through it once. Don't be think about it. I am so hurry to learning many things from here. I would like to help you more. So come back here. I'll explain here. Let me check it. Is there any errors in this polymorphism code? No error. Bark, meow, chirp. All the things are coming here. So the class animal, it's a default thing. And pass keyword means if you are not given any declaration inside the method, you can use the pass keyword to pass it, skip it. Okay. And if you're without pass keyword here means you are not declaring any of empty method means it will throw you an error. So understand it very clearly. And parent class and the child class dog, and it is inherited, and similarly cat class inherited animal, and bird class inherited animal, and three make a sound, three different implementations are here. And finally make animals a sound. There is a common function for animal in animal for loop is used what the sounds they'll make it. Now see, there is a instantiation of a class a child class of dog class, cat class, bird class. Three independent variables means three independent objects are created, and it is declared as a class declaration. Now the animals list item it is called. Now how it is dog, cat, bird is here as a list items it is defined. Make animals sound, this function when I am calling this animals, it is a reading by using of animal. Three independent things are going to be reading one by one. Three independent things. How the super easily polymorphism is constructed here. One function is going to be calling all these class methods. How reusing technique we are applying here. See, this declaration is happening multiple times we can reuse. Yes, animals is calling one time. If you want to make sure to prepare any other list items, yes, you can use to call it. This is a technique for polymorphism to avoid such a duplication of code and reusing implementations. I'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.